What is up? We are back. See where we're at in the garage. Bikes aren't loaded up yet, but I figured just knock this intro out real quick. I'm gonna hit up another riding spot today, a little north of here, kind of undisclosed. So, um, yeah, haven't been there in a minute. Uh, Hopefully, I still have access to it. We'll see. Jay should be here any minute. Get his bike loaded up, and yeah, it's kind of a cold one this morning too, man. 40, 42, 43 degrees right now. Sun is out, so hopefully knocks that off and it turns out to be a pretty nice day. But man, this is South Florida. It's not supposed to be this cold. So yeah, let me get everything loaded up. I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. We are back, man. Is the mic working? Yeah. Hopefully this camera angle's straight. Gonna ride real quick, make sure that's good. Get into it. See if this thing will fire up. Said, man, it's been a while since I've been out here. I used to come out here very frequently. Do a lot of riding out here, especially during COVID. Used to be so many people out here just on the regular. I think they kind of shut it down a little bit. But I'll hit that trail on the other end. I've only seen a couple people out here today, besides me and Jay. We're ready to go. A lot has changed out here though, man. I know they're trying to develop this out here, but I was telling Jay, man, it'll be so long for they really have any sort of real development. Everything's too beat up, honestly, man. From my understanding, these lots are kind of all owned essentially, but just the condition of the roads, it'll just never get developed, honestly. It's kind of like basically a smaller version of the compound in Palm Beach, or not Palm Beach. Can't even think of the name right now. Palm Bay, sorry. Pretty much the same sort of deal. I forgot where all the trails are, man. Been a minute. Hopefully I don't run up on fucking homeless camp or some shit. Which I would not be surprised. Oh shit. Fucking Connex box as soon as I say that. look alive. What the hell is this? Alright. This is somebody's fucking property. Oh shit. Dude, what the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? I don't know what the fuck that was. Oh, gone, bitch. What the fuck was that? That might have been a gunshot, low key, man. Hey, you heard that shit? Yo! Dog.
That's crazy.
Am I tripping? Was that a gunshot?
It looked like he threw a firework.
Oh, from where?
I don't know where the hell it came from. I just saw like the smoke after and the smoke and the spark.
What the? So yeah, I really don't know if that was. Jay said it was a firework. He said he saw it. It sounded like a 50 cal went off, if you ask me. That was kind of wild. Oh, nothing, bro. This shit's no man's land, bro. Straight up. No man's land, brother. Dropped a bomb on this shit. It's like really something caught on fire. You know, I see that there's a lot of retention ponds being built. Maybe they are like really trying to make moves out here, but it just seems so far-fetched for me, man. I guess because I've known this place to what it once was. But they definitely widened the canal system a little bit. But I wonder if this is from when the hurricane washed all this out and then they had to come back and kind of redo it. Kind of help the flooding a little bit, because this stuff's all new. There's so many like little houses and stuff in the cut now. It used to be just no one out here at all. You kind of don't know what you're gonna roll up on. That's the thing.
little safe today. That was nice. Whew. That was fun. That was nice, right?
Yeah, I went down.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, just how to turn a little bit.
Oh, okay. Straight, though. In the sand? Yeah. Yeah, that'll do it to you. That's some shit, right?
I like that one.
Woo! You know where you were at for real.
That one? Good.
Yeah, because you're trying to get out of there.
I felt comfortable in there.
Yeah, that's good. Let's take this road. Yeah, man, like, this place is great. It's just no man's land. You gotta know that, because you don't know who's lurking in the woods. Somebody moved out here. Somebody's just kicking it. But still fun. So I haven't really wheelied a bike since my last like bad crash on the supermoto. I don't know why. It hurt. I never want to go down like that again. That was the third time I went down on the supermoto, and I thought nothing could top the second time. I knew I should have gave it up. I'm straight. Bro, that was the slowest fall I've ever had. Yeah, the thing is, I lost control about here. I'm like, oh shit! But it was just like kept getting worse. So I couldn't really get out of it. Like fuck it. I mean, and then I buried the front here and just fucking.
I saw just the very tail end of it.
Oh my gosh, bro.
You good enough?
Yeah, I'm straight.
Run a
Whoa, what the fuck? My seat came off. My seat. What the heck? Brother.
Holy shit, the boat came out of here.
Oh! Yo!
No bueno.
The seat leaning back, bro. I was like, what the f? Let me go over here to this tree. Just rattles out. Gucci. Back on the road, baby. Keep some tools with you when you're riding trails, man. Especially far away from the truck, you know. Back to the duck off spot.